Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, Just a Man and His Deuce and a Half. My name is Bill. Today we're going to discuss the cab heating system. I'm going to show a picture of where the heater core originally sits inside the engine compartment, and that's where mine originally was. All A2s, as best I know, were all mounted under the hood, and they had a little side scoop that come off, would bring the air into it, so you was constantly getting outside air heated up and then forced inside the cab. So that's not a very efficient way of getting, heat. It worked enough to keep a chill off, but not to warm you up. So anyway, I did like what they started doing in the A3. I don't know if it was all the A3s or if it was a certain year of A3s or exactly when, but they started running the heater core box inside the cab, underneath the passenger side, under the dash. So I did a similar thing. Of course, this doesn't have that. I didn't buy the A3 heater. I just used the existing A2 and the existing A2 diffuser box. The only difference is the diffuser box is now turned in the opposite direction. Let's see what I got. All right. So inside the cab, underneath the passenger side, I put the heater core box right here, made it a little leg there, and used the fender mount plate, part of it anyway, and got it mounted to the back wall, and got the heater core basically mounted upside down on that plate that it normally existed on. And as you can see, the diffuser box is backwards. My plan is I need like a lawnmower cable, like a throttle cable or something, that I'm going to run off the back side of it to control, from floor to defrost. But and I do got to get some 2-inch hose or something to mount to the defrost ports up behind the dash for the defrost vents right there and one over there. So, but also what I've done, I added a 24-volt solenoid valve on the water side, so I can stop the water from coming in here. Let's look under the hood and I'll show you that setup. So right here is where the heater core hoses come in through the firewall. I'll show you that little through wall barb hose doohickey thing, and then I still have the manual shut off in case if something ever fails and I want to manually shut it off, hooked up. And then that runs up to the top of the system and down at the water pump, comes in and then into my solenoid valve, so I can actually shut that water off. But I watched a video of another gentleman's idea, which I'm sure works perfectly fine. I just don't know why we go that extreme. I do hope this video helps someone at least give them a creative idea and do it your way. I never suggest anyone do anything my way. There is always a better way. I will leave with, don't be afraid to go buy a deuce. Hey, if you like these videos, subscribe and like and share. I don't care. I mean, I would like for you to share it. I'd like for you to like them. But if you don't like them, I mean, it's your business. But thanks for subscribing. And I also want to mention, for all my going forward non-related deuce videos, I am going to put them on my new YouTube channel, Drones, Guns, and Automobiles. I will not be putting any more non-deuce related videos on this channel. If you want to see more of the other content, I will leave a link in the comments section for my other YouTube channel. Go there, subscribe, so you can stay in a loop for all my Non Deuce related videos. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one, as always.